From paper to gold, transforming $500,000 savings into a precious metals portfolio. Markets can be unpredictable, and inflation can quietly reduce the value of your savings. That's why many investors are exploring about transforming $500,000 savings into a precious metals portfolio as a way to protect and stabilize their wealth. Instead of relying only on stocks or cash, precious metals offer a tangible and time-tested alternative. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Why move from paper to gold? Traditional retirement accounts like a 457(b) are tied to market performance. While they can grow, they are also exposed to volatility. Gold and other metals are different, they hold intrinsic value and often perform well during economic uncertainty. Key reasons to shift: protection against inflation, diversification beyond stocks and bonds, stability during market downturns, tangible, physical asset ownership. 2. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that allows you to invest in physical metals like gold and silver instead of paper assets. These accounts still offer tax advantages but are backed by real, stored bullion. Eligible assets include gold bars, 99.5% purity, approved gold coins, silver, platinum, and palladium. 3. How to roll over a 457(b) into gold. To avoid taxes or penalties, the process must be done correctly. A direct rollover is the safest method. Steps to follow: choose a reliable self-directed IRA custodian. Open a Gold IRA account. Request a direct transfer from your 457(b). Purchase approved precious metals. Store them in an IRS-approved depository. 4. Sample $500,000 allocation. A balanced portfolio helps reduce risk while maintaining growth potential. Gold, 60%, stability. Silver, 25%, growth potential. Platinum and palladium, 10%, diversification. Cash, 5%, flexibility. 5. Benefits of precious metals: hedge against inflation, lower dependence on financial markets, long-term wealth preservation, reliable during economic crises. Transforming $500,000 savings into a precious metals portfolio is not about reacting to fear, it's about building financial security. By carefully rolling over a 457(b) into a Gold IRA, investors can protect their retirement savings with assets that have stood the test of time. With the right strategy, your wealth can remain strong no matter how markets change. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.